So to figure out the number of neutrons, we'll once again have iron 55. 55, as you'll recall, is the mass number. And the mass number is the number of protons plus the neutrons. So the mass number is the protons plus the neutrons. So I have my P plus N equals 55. From the atomic number for iron, I have figured out using the periodic table that the number of protons is 26. So I'm going to plug 26 in for protons, and then it's going to be some basic algebra where I'm going to just subtract 26 from both sides, and I'm going to get that the number of neutrons is 29. So again, I use the mass number and I take protons plus neutrons, and I find the protons from the periodic table and from the atomic number.